In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Translate on your iPhone. So let's go to the App Store. And what you want to do is go ahead and type in Google Translate. Now, this is a free app. Don't worry about having to pay for it. So go ahead and hit your button Get. And then you may need your Face ID to download the app itself. And then once this downloads, which should only take a couple seconds if you're on your Wi-Fi, and then once it's done downloading, you can open it from here or go find it on your phone. Let's just go ahead and open it from here. And then what you really need to do is just set your languages from English to Spanish to whatever language that you want. So you can go through and translate anything from a conversation to voice activating. So it really is easy to do. Let's go ahead and type something here. How are you? And then let's go ahead and it's going to automatically translate